Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and in today's video, we are reviewing the 2021 Toyota Camry Sport Edition. So, if you are interested in possibly purchasing this car, we are gonna do a full review today. So thumbs up the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car reviews. And since this is the Rideshare Hub, we're gonna be saying, is this a good car to drive for Uber? This, in my opinion, is potentially one of the best cars that you could drive for Uber, but it does come with some problems, which we're gonna talk about today. Before I get started, I do wanna thank our sponsor of the video, Solo. Izzy, show them the merch. You got the merch on too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Solo is an absolutely incredible app that every single rideshare gig worker should be using. It's literally the business app for gig workers, and they provide workers most popularly with their option of guaranteed pay. So when you go out and work, they're gonna guarantee that you make a certain amount of money, which is absolutely awesome. That is available in select cities, but they do have a free app nationwide, and when you use our link, they're gonna send you 15 bucks just for signing up. So use our link below to sign up for Solo. It's awesome. They estimate that the average app-based worker who uses Solo takes home over $5,000 more per year. There's no reason not to get it. It's free. Sign up, you'll make more money. You'll have a better experience as a driver. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Toyota. Firstly, I do have to say Toyota is one of the best brands makes to use for driving for gig work. Why? Because most auto mechanics, they have these parts on spare. They're super cheap to maintain. Unlike getting a Mercedes or a BMW, you know, you're gonna be waiting a long time for repairs. It's gonna be more expensive. But this car, Toyota Camry, every mechanic knows how to fix this thing inside and out. Let's do a quick walk around. The front is very cool in my opinion. It has some nice little cut features here, which, you know, obviously helps with aerodynamics, but honestly it does look pretty cool. Like just from the front, it has a very cool look to it. It's got the big front grille, which I, as a man, as a high value male, do like having a big front grille. Okay, I can't get the grills in my teeth. People will make fun of me, so I just got it on my Toyota here. Let's keep doing a walk around. Very simple car, you know, but it has everything that you need. Even the rims. What do you think about those rims, Izzy?
Yeah, super nice.
They're pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
Like if somebody pulled up and they were your Uber driver and they pulled out with those sick rims, wouldn't you be like immediate 5 stars?
Yeah, I'd be like, damn, you got some nice rims.
You got some nice rims, boy. Yeah, we're gonna, by the way, I'm renting this car for the Rideshare Hub so we can review it because, again, this is one of the most popular cars. We do think it is one of the best. I'm gonna get into the specs in a second here. Let's just keep doing a quick walk around. As we go to the back, you have the nice logo right here, okay? Camry SE. What does that stand for, Izzy?
Standard Sport Edition.
Sport Edition. So it does have sport mode. I did test it out. I was doing a couple burnouts over there. The thing actually takes off pretty fast, but you gotta wanna not use those with your rideshare passengers. Okay, let's keep doing a quick walk around here. I mean, overall, very sleek, very simple. And I myself, I'm a minimalist. When there's too much stuff going on, I don't like it. For this one, you know, even this, like this cut, I think it's a little unnecessary, but hey, it does look pretty cool for the right person. It's not bad. One negative, no sunroof, no moonroof. It's okay. You know, they're making these cars in the factory and they don't want to put in no moonroof, okay? No sunroof. But a perk of that is your car's gonna stay cooler because you don't let in a bunch of sun like Teslas do. I hate Tesla, okay? They got a big glass roof. Elon Musk's like, oh, it's so fancy, so fancy. Everybody's gonna love my car. Yeah, don't realize that car gets 95 degrees inside because there's a glass roof. Oh, Elon. Better think twice before you make another car, okay, buddy? Just kidding. Elon Musk is, he's okay. He's okay. I lost a lot of money in Tesla stock, okay? All right. Before I head inside, let's go over the specs real quick of the car. How much do you think this car gets miles per gallon, Izzy?
22.
Nope, you're wrong.
24.
Nope. Higher.
Oh, really?
Yep.
20.
This car gets a whopping 39 miles per gallon. With inflation and Joe Biden and all those other people driving up the price of gasoline, Putin, whoever you want to blame, 39 mpg on the highway and up to 28 in the city. So honestly, actually pretty freaking good, because as an Uber driver, you're gonna be stuck in traffic, or you know, if you're a normal person, obviously you're gonna watch this video too, not an Uber driver. 28 miles per gallon in the city is incredible. Okay, stop and going. Usually uses up a lot of fuel. If you can hypermile, meaning, you know, use the brake less, drive in the slow lane, you know, really be conscientious of your driving style, you're gonna potentially get 40 miles per gallon in this car. Okay, you're gonna be able to drive to the moon and back before filling up. Now, this engine does have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. MSRP, this car costs, drum roll please, $26,560. So this is a pretty cheap car, and if you buy it used, knock off 10,000 bucks, you could probably get this car for like $10,000, like 40,000 miles on it. It's a really good deal. So this is a 2021 model, so just going in really quickly, I'll show you. It comes with its own little Tesla computer screen, right? You got a little iPad. It's even touch screen as well. And it has Bluetooth, maps on here, GPS built in. Obviously you got your nice AC. But look at this. You got touchscreen and you got apps. Oh, turn that off. That's Izzy's music. Turn that off. Turn that off. Pause that. Copyright, okay. Look at this. You got apps. Toyota apps. We got notifications and Wi-Fi. Those are some pretty awesome apps if you ask me. I'm pretty sure you can add some more, and hopefully one day. These apps are not good. Phone. What? How do you scroll on this thing? Oh, it's not even a scroll. It's a freaking touchscreen. Track, seek. You got home. No. Playing more music. Okay. Menu. Check out the menu. Yeah. Apps. Yeah, not very many apps. Menu. Projection. You can actually play movies in here with the projector.
No.
Setup. Let's go to some phone settings, or some car settings. Vehicle. Valet mode. Oh, that's cool. You can enter a code. You can enter a code to lock the car if you want. That's pretty cool. So got a lot of awesome cool features. This car currently has 32,000 miles on it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Ooh, we got some little sunglass holders up here. So if you want to put your little shades up here, you can. Very nifty. Let's take a look right here. I know you guys are interested in these things. I know when I'm buying a car, I always want to like look at the little things and see how they work. This, not bad here. Ooh, they do good placement of handles. I have to say, a lot of cars these days, they don't put these in. And when you drive with a crazy person, you gotta hold on. And you were driving long, you gotta hold on. I like these placement here. Never been too much of a fan of these little loose, looks like loose skin here.
Like foreskin.
I've never honestly been a fan of this, okay? As a high value male, it makes me a little uncomfortable, but it's okay. Let's check out the storage in here. Oh, I do like that they have USB plugs. Even the Teslas don't have this. So, you know, sometimes simplicity is better. Like the less you have, the more. Like even the freaking Teslas, they don't have these. And I want these for my phone and for whatever else I'm trying to charge, you know? I want 17 adapters for every little thing I need. Everything I really got. Okay. Now, what do we got here? Oh, we got another USB plug right here. Now, that is awesome. I just found out that right now. You got also a plug here for your standard stuff. Plenty of room. I do have to say, after driving this car, this seat is very comfortable. It's, in my opinion, a little bit comfier than the Tesla, because this one, you know, it don't got all the fancy stuff. This is very simple. The headrests actually go up and down, unlike the Teslas. Let's keep going to the back. So, as a rideshare driver, you want to make sure you have a plethora, I mean plethora of room in the back seat for your riders, right? Because they're gonna be sitting back here. Ooh, plethora of leg room here. There's actually quite a bit. I feel fine. You know, this is a sedan, not a coupe, so plenty of room back here. This might qualify for Uber Comfort. I'll have to double check on that, but those rides basically just, you know, you get paid a little bit extra because you got more room in the back seat. Let's check out the trunk. Got a little spoiler action going on here. Ooh, does this, oh, is that for sport mode? That's pretty cool. Let's see the trunk space.
Oh, there's a button in the front to open it.
There's got to be one here too. Oh, there's a camera right here. Oh yeah, I got backup camera, guys, which I love cars with backup camera.
There's a button.
I got it here. I got it here.
Oh.
Whoa, holy moly, tons of room in here. And in all my videos, guys, we always have to do, does it fit a Dylan? If the trunk doesn't fit a Dylan, I ain't buying it, okay? Can I comfortably lay back here? I could take a quick nap back here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was gonna hit me in the face.
Oh.
I was like, yeah, I want my teeth today. Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's to put the back seats down.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
Wow, very nifty. Oh, there's a honk here. Lift to honk? Lift to hook. Oh, okay. Yeah, guys. So, what do I think? Is this a good car to drive for Uber or for Lyft? I would say 100% it meets most of the conditions on why it's a good Uber or Lyft car. Number one, it's a mainstream car, meaning, you know, they're very easy to maintain. Toyotas, if you want a really reliable car, buy a Toyota. These cars are gonna last 300,000 miles, 400, 500,000 miles. I know it's kind of crazy, but Toyotas last forever. And now the newer and newer they get, the more they're gonna last. Gonna be cheap to maintain. These tires, I mean, you can go to a tire shop and buy these tires. These tires look a little bald actually, but you can get new tires for like $100 each. They're pretty cheap. And it also meets the requirement that, you know, it's a cheap car. What did I say, 24,000 miles MSRP? You can buy it a couple years used. If it's, get one maybe 10, 15,000 bucks. I would buy this car with 100,000 miles on it already, because I know that it's gonna last me at least another 100,000. If like, for instance, this car, 2015, 100,000 miles, I'm buying it. As long as, you know, it has no major issues. And also, as a driver, you're gonna have a good experience. Like I said, it drives really smooth, and it, you know, has quite a bit of room inside. And what do you think? Should we take a little test drive real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a quick test drive just to show y'all the experience with this car, right? Because everybody, oh, you want to get out? I'll rev it. You can show the what's it called? The thing in the back.
Yeah.
just so y'all can hear and feel and try to encompass how this car actually drives. Because remember, as an Uber driver, this is your home. This is your office. You're gonna be living in here, sleeping in here, eating in here. I don't know what else you guys are gonna do in here, but keep it professional, okay? It sounds so smooth.
Yeah.
Right? Sounds very smooth in here. Very nice. I just have to say, you know, when I first started this car up, I had to say, this is a really nice car. Very quiet, nothing too loud or flashy. You're getting the job done. This car, and you'll hear about more of this in Rideshare University, driving a car like this is gonna be your best friend because you're gonna know deep down that you didn't overpay for a car. You're driving a car that's very easy to maintain. And yeah, you're driving around with Solo app turned on. You get guaranteed pay, life is good, you're building wealth. What do you think about that, Izzy?
Yeah, that sounds great.
But yeah, guys, I think we're gonna end the video there. What's your reaction to this car, Izzy?
It's cool.
Best. Give it a couple more words there. Maybe 2-3 more words.
So I really like this car. It's really simple. It's smooth. It's like it's just like your standard car. And I know that Toyotas are super reliable. Like I've seen some that have like well over 100,000 miles on them and they still work fine.
Yeah.
So I think that this is a really great, just reliable, simple car, especially for Uber where you're gonna be putting a ton of miles on your car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this car review of the Toyota Camry 2021 Sport Edition. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. We're gonna end the video here. Thumbs it up. Check out our link down below for Solo. Sign up. They're gonna send you $15 just for linking your gig account when you use our link. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.